couldn't find the theater, and then when I found...
Good evening, everyone. Sorry, didn't mean to make you jump. I'm Donna Henry from Bayshore Broadcasting. It's always so much fun to be down here for Harbour Nights Concert Series. I want to say a thank you to Doug Cleverly, the event coordinator for the City of Owen Sound. He is the one behind all of this and gets the acts in here, so please let him know we appreciate it. We'd also like to thank TD Canada Trust. They are our series sponsor, and tonight's sponsor, Central Place Retirement Community. Now, we are going to be taking a break about halfway through, but we will be back with more announcements then, so make sure you don't go too far. And again, thank you to TD Canada Trust and Central Place Retirement Community. It is always so much fun to be here, and I know tonight is going to be a blast for the Georgian Sound Big Band. Please welcome them.
It don't mean a thing. All you got to do is sing. Do-ah, 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 da-da-da-day. It makes no difference if it's sweet or hot. Just give that rhythm everything you've got. Oh, it don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Do-ah, 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 da-da-da-day. Da 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 dip da 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 day. It makes no difference if it's sweet or hot. Just give that rhythm everything you've got. Da 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 dee da da day da da day. It makes no difference if it's sweet or hot. And just give that rhythm everything you got. Thank you. Thanks very much. Welcome, everybody.
Yeah, good evening, folks. That was It Don't Mean a Thing If It Ain't Got That Swing, sung by the lovely Lisa Hutchison.